Ever wondered how the month of Ramzan, a time of spiritual reflection and fast from dawn to sunset, can impact those living with diabetes? It's a question worth pondering, isn't it? Today, we're about to dive deep into this topic, unraveling the effects of fasting on diabetes. Fasting during Ramzan is a deeply personal and spiritual journey for many. It's a time of self-reflection, discipline, and a profound commitment to faith. But for those with diabetes, it can pose some unique challenges. You see, when we fast, our bodies naturally respond by altering the way they process energy. As you might know, diabetes is a chronic condition that affects the way our bodies regulate glucose, a type of sugar, in the blood. People with diabetes either don't produce enough insulin or don't use insulin effectively. Insulin, a hormone produced by the pancreas, helps glucose from food get into your cells to be used for energy. When a person with diabetes fasts, the body goes into a state of fasting-induced insulin resistance. This means that even though insulin is present, the body doesn't use it effectively, leading to high blood glucose levels. But fasting during Ramzan doesn't necessarily spell disaster for those with diabetes. In fact, with the right preparation and management, it can be a time of spiritual fulfillment and personal growth. First and foremost, it's essential to consult with a healthcare provider before Ramzan begins. They can provide individualized advice based on your specific health needs and diabetes management plan. They may suggest adjusting the timing or dosage of your medication, or they might recommend monitoring your blood glucose levels more frequently. Another key point to remember is the importance of suhoor, the pre-dawn meal. Consuming a balanced meal rich in complex carbohydrates, proteins, and healthy fats can provide sustained energy and help maintain stable blood glucose levels throughout the day. Breaking the fast, or iftar, is also a crucial time for those with diabetes. It's recommended to start with something light and hydrating, such as dates and water, followed by a balanced meal. Overindulgence can lead to spikes in blood glucose levels, so moderation is key. Remember, staying hydrated and well-nourished during non-fasting hours is vital. Dehydration can exacerbate the effects of diabetes, so drinking plenty of water and other non-sugary fluids is crucial. So, to wrap things up, fasting during Ramzan can pose challenges for individuals with diabetes, but with careful planning and management, it can be a time of spiritual and personal enrichment. Consult with a healthcare provider, monitor your blood glucose levels frequently, consume balanced meals at suhoor and iftar, and stay well hydrated. These are the keys to a healthy and fulfilling Ramzan. Remember, your health always comes first, and your commitment to your well-being is as significant as your commitment to your faith. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope this information proves helpful to you or someone you care about. Ever wondered how the month of Ramzan, a time of spiritual reflection and fast from dawn to sunset, can impact those living with diabetes?